Welcome to the tutorial on profile line drawing. Today we're going to be going over how to draw a profile with a numeric map. So the first thing you need to know is in the toolbox you'll see this symbol. This is our draw profile line symbol. You'll see it in a couple places in JMARS that I'll show you. The first one is the toolbar. This one activates drawing the profile line. There's another one in the quick access, and after you draw a profile line you can come in here and check out what that profile line looks like. And then you have one in your layer manager that we'll go over in a little bit that shows you additional configurations that you can change with the profile line, such as changing color. So first thing we want to do is click that draw profile line. You'll see a message at the bottom telling you how to draw a line. If you click one time, you can continue that profile line. And we're going to draw another one. And to end it, you do a double click. So I'll double click right here. And we'll do another one just for fun. Double click to end. And now you'll see after I drew those profile lines, you'll see a view chart down here in your quick access. So you want to click that. And you'll notice that you only see one profile line, but we drew three. So the very first time you draw a profile line, it will only draw that first line that you drew. If you want to add additional lines to your chart, you close this and you'll go to your line and right click it and say add profile to existing chart, and you'll see it drew the second profile line in there. So we're going to do that to the other one too. And you'll notice when you right click these, you have additional features you can do, such as renaming it or deleting it, and additional features that you can do for the lines. So right now we're going to add it to our line, and now you'll see we have all three. And if you wanted to take one off, you can easily do so. You can change the color as well. So the other thing that you'll want to know is right now we're drawing three profile lines against the numeric map. If you go to configurations, you have two different options. You can compare profile lines, which basically means you can compare multiple profile lines with one numeric source. But if you wanted to do more than one numeric source, you could click this button and you can only do one profile line. So I would select which profile line I wanted and which numeric source. And you can come in here and add additional numeric sources. We'll say slope. Let's just do this one, MOLA slope. So now you can see I have multiple, and we'll go to the chart. And here's our profile line with the elevation, and then this purple line in the background is our second source, which is our slope. If you wanted to do it the other way, you can do that too. Now you have all three profile lines with one source. That's what we originally did, and you can see it right there. So another thing you'll want to see is when you go into the profile line, you can change different things such as name. So MOLA1, and you can change the color from here as well, or you can delete it. And here you can select the line thickness. And there you go. And that's how to draw profile lines in JMARS. Thanks for joining me.